Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe for real-world automotive reviews like this, check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with what you're driving and which kit you're considering. If your car's interior still looks like it's stuck in 2005 with dull yellow dome lights and zero personality, you're leaving a huge vibe upgrade on the table. I see it all the time. People buy the wrong LED kit, struggle with messy wiring, weak adhesive, or cheap remotes that die in a week. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 car interior LED light kits that are actually worth your money, so you can transform your ride without wasting cash. Coming in at number 5, the Jushope interior car LED strip lights. This kit is built around 4 flexible RGB LED strips connected to a central control box, designed to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs with a standard 12-volt system. It plugs directly into your cigarette lighter socket and includes an inline controller plus app connectivity via Bluetooth. You get multiple color options, music sync mode, brightness control, and dynamic scene modes. The strips are slim and flexible, designed to tuck under the dash or seats, and they use adhesive backing for mounting. The kit includes the 4 strips, wiring harness, car charger adapter, and controller module, making it a true plug-and-play setup. In real-world use, this kit is ideal for beginners who want a quick interior glow-up without hardwiring anything. Installation is straightforward, and the app control gives you far more flexibility than those old-school IR remotes. The music sync feature actually responds well to bass, making night drives feel more immersive. For daily drivers or younger enthusiasts who want customizable color without spending big money, this is a solid entry-level option that delivers good brightness and decent durability for the price. The adhesive could be stronger long-term, but overall, it's a strong value buy. At number 4, the Nilight 72 LED USB interior strip lights. This setup features 4 strips with a total of 72 LEDs, powered via USB rather than a cigarette lighter adapter, which makes it convenient for modern vehicles with multiple USB ports. It runs on 5 volts and includes an inline remote control for adjusting colors, brightness, and lighting modes. The strips are slim, flexible, and designed for under-dash or under-seat placement. Nilight is known in the automotive lighting space for affordable, practical products, and this kit is built for universal vehicle compatibility with easy surface mounting. What I like about this kit is its simplicity. If you don't want a complicated app setup and just need clean ambient lighting, this is straightforward and reliable. The USB power option is great if you're trying to keep your 12V socket free for other accessories. Brightness is solid for cabin accent lighting, and it gives a nice even glow without harsh hotspots. It's perfect for commuters or rideshare drivers who want subtle ambient lighting without going overboard. It doesn't have the advanced app features of higher-ranked kits, but for a clean, budget-friendly solution, it absolutely gets the job done. Now we're stepping things up at number 3 with the Duo Fu 365 RGB interior car strip lights. This kit includes 4 RGB LED strips, a central control module, and both remote and app-based control via Bluetooth. It supports millions of color combinations, multiple dynamic lighting modes, adjustable brightness, and music sync functionality. Designed for 12-volt vehicle systems, it connects through the cigarette lighter and features flexible strips with adhesive backing for discreet installation. The wiring harness is long enough to accommodate larger vehicles, which is a nice touch for SUVs and extended cabins. In practice, this kit stands out for customization. The app interface is intuitive, and you can dial in very specific shades to match your dashboard, exterior paint, or even your audio system theme. The music mode reacts well, making it a favorite for anyone who enjoys late-night cruising with friends. It hits a sweet spot between affordability and feature set, making it ideal for car enthusiasts who want more control and more visual impact than basic kits provide. The wiring can take a little patience to route cleanly, but once installed, it looks fantastic. Runner-up at number 2 is the Govee Car LED Lights from Govee, a brand known for smart ambient lighting solutions. This kit typically includes 4 RGB LED strips, a control box, and both app and remote functionality. It's powered via 12-volt cigarette lighter connection and supports Bluetooth app control with extensive color selection, scene modes, DIY customization, and responsive music sync. The LED strips are flexible, low profile, and designed for universal vehicle compatibility, with adhesive mounting and cable management built into the design. What makes Govee stand out is refinement. The app experience is smoother and more polished than most competitors, and the lighting transitions feel more premium. Colors are vibrant, brightness is strong without being overwhelming, and the music mode has impressive sensitivity. If you care about clean integration and consistent performance, this is one of the most reliable kits on the market. It's especially great for newer vehicles where you want that modern ambient look to match the interior tech. It's priced slightly higher than budget kits, but the performance and app quality justify it. And finally, at number 1, the OPT7 Aura Interior Car Lights from OPT7. This is a premium interior lighting kit built for enthusiasts who want maximum brightness and durability. It features 4 high-intensity LED strips, a robust control module, wireless remote, and in many versions, app compatibility. Designed for 12-volt systems, it connects via cigarette lighter or can be hardwired for a cleaner install. The strips are constructed with durable materials and strong adhesive backing, engineered to handle heat and long-term use. It also includes multiple lighting effects, fade modes, strobe options, and music sync capability. In real-world performance, the OPT7 Aura kit simply feels more powerful and more solid. The LEDs are brighter and more evenly diffused, giving your cabin a true custom show car vibe. The build quality is noticeably better, and if you decide to hardwire it, you get a seamless factory-style installation. This is the kit I'd recommend for serious car enthusiasts, custom builds, or anyone who wants long-lasting performance and a bold interior presence. It costs more than entry-level kits, but the quality and output put it in a different league. At the end of the day, the right interior LED kit depends on what you're after. If you want a budget-friendly beginner option, the Jushope or Nilight kits will get you glowing fast. If customization and app control matter more, Duofu 365 is a strong mid-range choice. If you want premium app integration and polished performance, Govee is a smart pick. And if you want the brightest, most durable enthusiast-level setup, OPT7 Aura takes the top spot without question. No matter which one fits your style and budget, upgrading your interior lighting is one of the easiest ways to transform your driving experience. Make sure you subscribe for more honest automotive reviews. Check the description for the best current deals on these kits, and tell me in the comments which one you're installing in your ride.